We think that expanding our knowledge in scripting makes us a better scripter at the end, but is that really true? I claim that there is one important aspect to scripting no YouTuber has talked about yet. If you want to know more about it, then check out my second channel, link is in the description. Alright guys, so welcome to today's episode right here, and today's episode of this JoJo game series might seem a little bit unnecessary to you, but it is necessary for the future, because in today's video we are going to correct one thing we have been doing wrong this whole time, okay? And this one thing which we're going to correct is about this test stand right here, which is going to be the template for future stands. So as you can see, this stand right here is in R15, all right? And I plan on converting this into R6 because R6 stands are easier to create within Blender, all right? So it is literally just about this one fact that R6 stands are easily to create. And yeah, of course it depends on how detailed you're going to create a stand, but for us, or for me at least, R6 stands are easier to create than R15 stands because you have less body parts you have to focus on, all right? So that's the only reason why we are going to do this. And yeah, that's actually it for the video right here. So I'm now gonna show you how this works. So what you want to do is you want to click on build rig and then create a block rig right here. And actually, wait, where is it? Yeah, let's call this one test stand. And let's move it inside of the stands folder and see what happens. So this is probably the way on how most of you would have done that. Okay, so assume that you are not really into scripting and you do not really know how to do this. So just assume that this would be the way you have done things. Okay, as you can see, first of all, animation controller is not a valid member. All right, so what you want to do is that we have forgot to destroy the humanoid and to add this animation controller instance inside of here. All right, but after doing so, you would assume that things should now work out. Now let's see if this is really the case or not. Of course it is not, because yeah, why? Because something is still anchored. Let's disable can collide and let's disable this right here. Now let's see if it works now. Alright, still doesn't work. Let's actually set this to massless. And yeah, let's try this out again, but I assure you it still would not work. Okay, it works better, but it is not complete yet, so the animation is still missing. Okay, so how would you do the animation part? Of course, you would try to create your own animation right here by inserting another block rig. Let's get rid of this one because we will not need this guy right here anymore. And then where is it? Yeah, animation editor. Yeah, so those new icons, they still, you know, confuse me a lot, but that's just how it is. Wait, I have to add these step settings. Where is it? There we go. Snap to grid. Yeah. Of course, each stand is going to have its own stand idle, stand attack, whatsoever animation, all right? But this is just for testing purposes, so just to have something at hand. We actually move on with the rest. So let's move this guy right here up. Let's move some of these parts up as well. Let's actually move, I don't know. Yeah, looks weird. I used to animate in R6 like 4 years ago, maybe. Okay, so before R15 was even a thing. Yeah, let's just keep it like this. Make sure to set the animation priority to action, and then just publish this. There we go. But let's test this out. Let's see if it actually works at the end. But it should work. Okay, it does work. All right, so this was one important step for us for future episodes right here. As I've told you, this video might seem a little bit unnecessary to you. You might even consider this as some kind of filler video of mine. So yeah, you guys might argue, yeah, so Murto didn't really have an idea for this video and he just wanted to do this unnecessary ass stuff. You might be right, but I consider this one as pretty important for the future. And yeah, with that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all your friends, leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see ya.